guys, welcome back to another video with your main man Smooth Mark. In today's video I'm showing you guys how to head to the Sims Fur Dimension. That's right guys, so all you're going to need to head to the Sims Fur Dimension is 13 blocks of emeralds and a flint and steel guys. And what you're going to want to do with these emerald blocks, you're just going to want to go ahead and place 4 of them on the ground, just like that guys. Then you just want to go ahead and jump on up, put 1, 2, 3 4 emerald blocks just like that, and then you want to jump all the way down. Ow, that kind of hurt. And then you just want to go ahead and repeat the same steps on this side, and then go ahead and put 2 in the middle, and then 1 right underneath your feet, guys. And then you might want to look around and make sure that Herobrine ain't watching you. I think that might be a Herobrine cow, guys. And oh my god, what's up with those 2 temples in the distance? It's getting freaky around here, guys. That's why I gotta light this baby up and get going. But wow, that looks amazing. Let's go ahead and actually light this baby up. It should look even more amazing. Boom! I hope you guys wearing your sunglasses because that is bright, guys, and gorgeous. But let's go ahead and eat our enchanted golden apple. We might want to eat 2 of them in case there's anything dangerous in this dimension. And let's go ahead, grab our TNT, and head on in, guys. Oh my god, I just jumped straight through. I cannot believe that, guys. I just jumped straight through. But whoa, that loaded up quick, guys. Like really quick. And oh my god, guys, they got vehicles and helicopters and big buildings. And you know, I'm going to go ahead and put some TNT in this guy's trunk. I'm also going to go ahead and give this vehicle to my pig. So I'm going to go ahead and put him in the driver's seat, guys, because yes, pigs can drive vehicles, guys. Trust me, I seen it one time. I was just riding in the back seat, and all of a sudden I looked over into another person's car, and it was actually a pig's car. And oh my god, is that villager trying to save him? Ooh, there for a minute I thought the villager actually did save him, but he only saved himself. When stuff started blowing up, the villager went running, guys. How do you feel about that? You let a poor innocent pig die in a vehicle. Yeah, you should feel bad. Wow, guys, look at that waterfall. And look at this map. Oh my god, you can see the vehicles. Oh, I did not mean to break that. You can see the vehicles actually riding on the street. That is amazing, guys. But not as amazing as this like little waterfall thing. I'm going to go ahead and take a bath in this. Every time I go to the park and I see one of these, I take a bath in it, and then I hop out of it, and I sometimes pee and poop in it. But we're not going to talk about that. Just forget I ever said anything about that, guys, because yeah, just forget that. But wow, this place is amazing, guys. Let's go ahead and see what's inside this house. It looks like there's a fireplace, a sofa, no TV though. That's kind of weird that they wouldn't have a TV. Let's go ahead and look inside this kitchen. Ooh, there might be some food in here, guys. I'm going to go ahead and break on in. And let's go ahead and see if there's any food up in this place. All right, here's a fridge. What? It don't open? Where's the food? Where's the food? Oh my god, they have no food, guys. And they don't have no television either. But they do have a pretty nice chimney where Santa Claus can, you know, fit his big butt down through there, guys, and hopefully pop him a TV out of a sack. That's what I would be hoping for, guys. And oh my god, what is this stallion trying to do? He is obviously trying to look through the window. I'm looking through the window. I don't see anything. If you think there's a stallion lady in there, you're mistaken, because there is no stallion lady. Trust me, there's no stallion lady in that house. But wow, this place looks amazing too, guys. Let's just go ahead and head on in. And for some reason, none of these people have TVs. I'm not for sure why, guys. Let's go ahead and see what's in here. Ooh, I thought it was going to be a bathroom, but it's just obviously a way out the back. Wow, that's another thing. They don't have no bathrooms. That's kind of strange, guys. No bathrooms, no TVs. What kind of life is that, guys? These people don't even use it? Or maybe they do. Maybe that's why they was all surrounding that pond. Or that waterfall. Or whatever it was. I don't even know the name. But let's go ahead and let's blow our way out of here, guys. They're going to be really upset when they come home. Boom! boom. Wow, it took a long time for that TNT to blow up, guys. Maybe it's just something to do with this dimension. I'm not for sure, guys. But let's go ahead and head on over and take a look. I think I seen like a big church. Yeah, right there it is, guys. Now that's amazing. You know that took a lot of time for these villager people to build, guys. And is this somebody's mailbox? What, there's nothing in his mailbox? I'm going to go ahead put some TNT in his mailbox. That way when he comes out of his house to get his mail, he's going to accidentally grab some TNT and then it's going to go boom right in his face. It's going to be an explosion of a letter, guys. But wow, look at this house. Let's go ahead and see what's in its mailbox. Wow, somebody has not been checking their mailbox because there's a lot of stuff in there, guys. But wow, there's an airplane up in the sky, guys. That's pretty cool. Oh my god. Oh my god, I did not even see that guy. I was too focused on the airplane, guys, and oh my god, he's chasing me. He's chasing me, guys. He's obviously the guy that I put the TNT in his mailbox. Oh my god, I'm running. I'm running. Oh my god, I don't want him to catch me, guys. I do not want him to catch me. Oh my god, guys. I'm lucky I got out of there. I am so lucky I got out of there. I think after seeing that guy chase me down, though, I'm going to have to change. I'm going to have to change my pants, guys. Let me know what you guys thought about this absolutely amazing dimension down in the comment section below. And also let me know what dimension you guys want to see me head to next. And as always, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.